Good morning. So it is a beautiful Saturday morning and I'm really excited because we're going to be hosting our friends over our apartment today, or this afternoon I should say. You might remember them from several videos, our friends Terance and Twyla. I feel like it seems like they're our only friends because they're always on YouTube with us. But we're having them over and I'm really excited. As most of you know who follow me, I'm Jamaican. I was born in Jamaica and I am very much into my Jamaican culture. So my girl Twyla was like, I am requesting you to make some oxtail for dinner tonight. So I decided to take that as like inspiration for the evening, and I'm gonna be doing a whole like Jamaican theme dinner party, I guess. And I'm really excited about it because one, I just love to host, and two, I love a theme. So I'm up right now. I was gonna work out this morning, but I had a casualty yesterday. My thumb, as you can see, I have these beautiful nails and I was like forcing my foot into a new pair of sneakers, and the sneakers were still pretty like tight and tough. And so I was like using the thumb to like brace my foot, I guess, and I hit my thumbnail and popped the nail off. And the crazy thing is it's like halfway. So like half of it is still like acrylic and then the other half is just flesh. So it's really bad. I can kind of feel it throbbing a little bit. We cleaned the wound and I'm okay. It doesn't hurt too bad, but I decided to maybe hold off on working out today to just give it another day of rest. And yeah, so it is actually kind of late. It's later than I would have liked it to be. It's 10 a.m. I laid in bed for a little too long. And I've prepped the oxtail already and the jerk chicken earlier this week. They got marinated and seasoned up. But guess what? Last night I went out for drinks with my friends. Well, me and my husband went out with our other friends, Jeannie and Terrence, and we went out for happy hour and then dinner. And by the time we got back, I completely forgot to take out the oxtail and the jerk chicken so that it can thaw. Like I was gonna put them in the fridge so they can thaw overnight and be nice and ready for us to cook this morning. And I forgot. So I'm speed thawing the meat right now so that I can get started in that cooking process, because I really want the oxtail to like, you know, cook all day so those flavors can really be in it by the time of, by dinner time later on tonight. So, you know, I just want to take you along on my journey for today, and I'm really excited about this video. It's gonna be a fun one. To pop out really quickly because David and I will be flying out to Louisville for a brand trip next week, and we wanted to do our due diligence to make sure that we got COVID tests before we got on any flights, before we went out to like interact with the brand and the other influencers on the trip. So we're headed over to CVS right now to do a little COVID test, and then after that I need to go pick up some flowers because I love a beautiful tablescape, and so I'm gonna put the table together really nicely tonight. So I want to get some flowers. I think I'm gonna do white, given the decor that I'm going to be putting on the table. I feel like white flowers are going to go really nicely. My friends are here and I'm so excited. Everyone devoured the appetizers. Like, oh my gosh, they love them so much, and I'm very excited about it. And I'm happy with how everything came out. And also, it's a beautiful day today. It was supposed to be raining, but it's actually really sunny and fabulous out. So that's just, you know, just to showcase what kind of day we're about to be having. So I'm just happy.
Hello, this is Aisha's Taste of Jamaica. I've requested for her to give me the feel of her hometown, what's important to her. And so she has welcomed us into the home, which my husband will show you his version of it as well. We walked in with curry shrimp and beef patties and more to come on the dinner. Yes! Cheers! Oh, and freshly made rum punch.
All right, he's ready.
I can't do it now.